Exercise 13.2, question number 1. Here you are given a solid in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both the radii being equal to 1 centimeter. It means radius of this hemisphere as well as radius of cone both will be 1 centimeter, and height of the cone, that is also given as 1 centimeter. Because both the radii are equal, we can denote both by small r. H is also equal to radius, it is 1 centimeter. We have to find the volume of the resulting solid so formed. So it will be equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere plus volume of hemisphere. So it will be equal to, you are asked this volume in terms of pi. So write the formula. Volume of cone, it will be pi r square h over 3 plus volume of hemisphere, it will be 2 over 3 pi r cube. दोनों के रेडियाई सेम है, so we can take both as small r. Take the common things. Pi common here, r square common in both of these over 3. So what is left here? Pi r square over 3 taken common, h plus here it is 2 into r. Substitute the values. Pi as it is because we have to find the answer in pi. Value of r is 1, so 1 square will be 1 over 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1, 2. So it will be pi over 3 into 3 cancelled out. Units will be cubic centimeter. So volume is pi cubic centimeter. Now question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. जितना इसका वॉल्यूम है उसमें शुगर कितनी है 30%. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 number of gulab jamuns if each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. शेप कैसी है? सिलेंड्रिकल है, लेकिन एंड्स जो है वो हेमिस्फेरिकल है. With length 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8 centimeter. So here diameter we are given 2.8. It means this diameter is 2.8 centimeter. Total length of gulab jamun is यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक total length आपको given है 5 centimeter. तो अगर हमने ये वाला जो cylindrical form है, लेंथ ऑफ सिलेंडर जिसको हम h से डिनोट करते हैं, इसको फाइंड आउट करना है, तो जितना रेडियस है इधर से प्लस इधर से r प्लस r दैट विल बिकम डायमीटर. तो आपके पास ये वाली लेंथ ऑफ गुलाब जामुन विल बिकम 5 माइनस 2.8 दैट इज 2.2 centimeter will be there. And what will be the radius? So here radius will be 2.8 over 2, that is 1.4 centimeter. ये वाली वैल्यू रेडियस की कितनी रहेगी? 1.4. 1.4 इधर से कम हो जाएगा, 1.4 इधर से, ओवरऑल 2.8 कम हो जाएगा. हाइट ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट, ये जो बीच वाला सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट है उसकी हाइट कितनी होगी आपके पास? 5 minus 2.8 that is 2.2 centimeters. Now we have to find the volume of this gulab jamun shape. Volume of one gulab jamun. इज इक्वल टू, कौन सी शेप होगी इसमें, 2 हेमिस्फेयर्स, दैट इज 2 into 2/3 pi r cube plus 1 cylindrical part plus pi r square h. So it will be 2 into 2, that is 4/3 pi r cube plus pi r square h. अब इनमें जो कॉमन पार्ट है वी कैन टेक आउट दैट कॉमन पार्ट. आपके पास पाई दोनों में कॉमन है, आर स्क्वायर दोनों में कॉमन है, सो पाई आर स्क्वायर कॉमन. इन बिटवीन व्हाट इज लेफ्ट हियर, 4/3 into r plus here only h. Now we can substitute the values of r and h. It will be pi, that is 22/7, value of r square, that is 1.4 into 1.4, then 4/3 into 1.4 plus h, that is 2.2. So further it will be equal to 22/7, ये कट हो जाएगा, here it will be 0.2. 0.2 into 22, it will become 4.4 into 1.4, this number. Here 14 into 4, 5.6 plus 3 into 2.2, that is 6.6/3. So after that it will be equal to 4.4 into 1.4 into sum of these two, 12.2. 6 plus 6, 12, then 6 plus 6, 12/3. It will be in cubic centimeter. अब आपको कहीं भी क्वेश्चन में ये नहीं पूछा है कि फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 गुलाब जामुन, तो यू नीड नॉट टू फाइंड आउट दिस कैलकुलेशन. हाउ मच विल बी द शुगर सिरप? Sugar syrup in 1 gulab jamun is equal to how much? 30% of its volume. So it will be 30/100 into 4.4 into 1.4 into 12.2/3. So it will be clear. So further if we multiply by 45, because we need to find the sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamuns, so it will be in cubic centimeter. So next is sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamuns. क्या करोगे? 45 into this whole number, 4.4 into 1.4 into 12.2/10. This will be in cubic centimeter. After calculation, you will get 338.184 cubic centimeter. You all multiply these all, you will get 338.184 cubic centimeter. So you are asked in the question, you have to find the approximate value. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 such gulab jamuns. ठीक है, तो कितना होगा उनका बाय वॉल्यूम 30%. So approximate answer will be 338. बिकॉज इन दिस क्वेश्चन आपको कहीं पे भी नहीं बोला है कि आप 1 गुलाब जामुन के लिए शुगर सिरप निकालो या वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 गुलाब जामुन निकालो, तो यू नीड नॉट टू वेस्ट योर टाइम फॉर दीज कैलकुलेशंस, क्योंकि जब आप 30 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे डिनोमिनेटर अपने आप खत्म हो जाएगा 3. अगेन यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 45. Now we are going to start question number 5. Here we are given a radius of top of a conical container. It is a container, ठीक है, in the shape of inverted cone, whose radius is 5 centimeter and this height is 8 centimeter. And when it is full of water up to the brim, it is full of water. What happens when lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, are dropped into the vessel? इस कंटेनर में जब हम स्फेरिकल लेड शॉट्स को डालते हैं तो क्या होता है, इसका वॉल्यूम जो है दैट इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर डिस्प्लेस्ड. कितना पानी इसके बाहर आ जाता है, 1/4 ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इन द कंटेनर. उतना वॉल्यूम इसका बाहर आ जाता है, पानी फ्लो हो जाता है पानी इसमें से. क्लियर? इट मींस इसमें जितने भी हमने लेड शॉट्स स्फीयर्स डाले हैं उन सब का वॉल्यूम कितना होगा, 1/4 ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर डिस्प्लेस्ड. सॉरी, 1 ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर इन द कंटेनर. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, रेडियस ऑफ द लेड शॉट आर, इट इज डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल आर, और इसको हमने कैपिटल आर से डिनोट कर दिया. अब जब इसमें शॉट्स डाले तो इसका वॉल्यूम जितना बाहर आया वो कितना था, टोटल वॉल्यूम का 1/4. सो लेट देयर आर n शॉट्स. जो लेड शॉट्स डाले उनकी काउंटिंग n थी. So volume displaced by these n shots will be volume कितना होगा, 1/4 of that. So volume of n lead shots is equal to n into what is volume of one lead shot, 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of water in the given vessel. It is, what is the volume of cone? It is pi r square h over 3. Now volume of water displaced is equal to, जितना पानी बाहर आया उतना ही वॉल्यूम इन लेड शॉट्स का था, is equal to volume of n shots, which implies volume of water displaced, it is, ये जो वॉल्यूम है इसका कितना पार्ट, 1/4. 1/4 of pi r square h over 3 is equal to n into 4/3 pi r cube. Be careful, these two r's are different, that is why we have taken this capital R and it is small r. Now from here we have to find the value of n. So pi is on both the sides, we can cancel this. Next is over 3, we can cut out. Now the value of n is equal to, here r square h over 4, this one, and this 4 will be in the denominator, and then this r cube into r cube. Now substitute the values, whatever we are given. So n is equal to r, value of r is 5 into 5 into 8 over 4 into 4 into value of small r is 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Now after calculation here, it will become over 10 over 10. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 here. Again here it will become 10. So 4 into 2, 8. Again here 2, here 5, again that. So what will be the answer here? N is equal to 10 into 10, 100. So there are 100 lead shots. Now question number 7. In this question you are given a solid consisting of right circular cone of height 120 centimeter. ये जो cone है इसकी height है 120 centimeter. It is standing on a hemispherical ball of radius 60 centimeter. Radius of this hemisphere as well as radius of cone both are equal, and it is 60 centimeter. Radius of the cylinder, that is also 60 centimeter. So here we can write radius of hemisphere, that is also 60 centimeter. Or this cylinder contains water. When we put this solid cone mounted on a hemisphere in this cylinder, what is the volume of water left in the cylinder? This one. Bottom of this solid is touching the base of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is 180 centimeter. So we can say it exactly covers 120, the height of the cone, plus this 60, a radius of this hemisphere. So 120 plus 60, it will be 180. It means top of the cone will be exactly on the top of the cylinder. So here we have to find the volume of water left in the cylinder. Volume of water left in the cylinder. कितना वॉल्यूम होगा वो? That is equal to volume of cylinder, that is, let this height be capital H. इसको हमने capital H से ले लिया, and height of the cone by small h. बाकी रेडियाई इन तीनों के equal है, so we are taking small r. So volume of water left in the cylinder will be volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h minus sum of volume of these two figures. Volume of cone, that is pi r square h over 3. Here we have to take small h, plus volume of this hemisphere 2 over 3 pi r cube. So it will be equal to, now we can substitute the values. Pi, that is 22 over 7, r is 60. So in all these three, r is same, We can take it common. Pi is also same. We can take common. So it will be 22/7 r square. That is 60 into 60 into h. That is 180 minus here 22/7 r square 60 into 60/3 plus 2 into 2. Here you can substitute the values or initially also you can take pi common. अगर आपने ये values बाद में लगानी है then also okay, अगर पहले लगा देते हो फिर बाद में आपको common लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, 2 into pi that is 22/7 r cube 60 into 60 into 60. क्लियर? आप ये वैल्यूज डाल के भी ले सकते हो. और व्हाट इज द सेकंड वे? इससे भी शॉर्ट मेथड क्या है कि पहले ही आप पाई और आर स्क्वायर दोनों को निकाल. सो हियर पाई आर स्क्वायर कॉमन. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट हियर? एच माइनस यहाँ पे पाई आर स्क्वायर कॉमन हम ले चुके हैं h/3 प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर कॉमन 2/3 r एंड देन ब्रैकेट क्लोज. अगर हम ऐसे करते तो ज्यादा सिंपलर होगा, अदरवाइज पहली वैल्यूज ज्यादा हो जाएंगी. सो नाउ इट विल बी 22/7 into 60 into 60. This one here 180 minus h/3. Value of h is small h है ये 120/3 plus 2/3 r. 2/3 into r, that is 60 bracket close. So here we can cut these. So here 22/7 into 60 into 60. Here 180 minus 40 plus 40, 80. 22/7 into 3600 into 100, and it will be in cubic centimeter. So we can convert, because it will be larger value, we can convert it into meter cube. So 22/7 into 3600 into 100 over, we know 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100 meter, because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. और क्यूबिक के केस में क्या होगा? पावर 3. 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1/10 lakh. So we will divide it by 10 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5 6. उनमें से 4 zeros कट हो जाएंगी. Now we can multiply 22 into 36. After multiplication 22 into 36 you will get 36 into 22 can be written as 36 into 11 into 2, और 36 into 11 कैसे आप लिखते हो? 6 here 3 plus 6 9. It is 36 into 11 into 2 कर दो. So it will be 792/7 and 00 It will be in cubic meter. So it will be 7.92/7 cubic meter. Now convert it into decimal. It will be 11 into 777, that is 1.1. Then 7 3s are 21. Then 1. Then 4. and so on, you can leave this. You can write approximate answer 1.131 cubic meter.